I like my bulletin board, but as part of my office facelift of brightening this place up, enlarging the feel of the space, it's time for a change. This dark green has just got to go. This is a fabric over top of something. So what I decided to do, since I like my bulletin board, I'm going to put a new fabric on here, a new lighter colored fabric. So the first thing I need to do is take all this stuff down and see if I can't remove this from the wall. It looks like it's held up with some screws. It's definitely a custom piece, but I'll get it off the wall and see what I can do from there. This is a cut-in electrical box, which means it was put in after the wall surface was done, and you can see how it's mounted over top of the bulletin board too. So I'm going to have to see if I can loosen this and pull this out in order to get the board off the wall. Phone line was punched through here. So I'm also going to have to disconnect this wiring. I think I'll make a little wiring diagram so I know how that goes back together, and see what we can do. Okay, that came off without too much fuss. Yeah, there's some anchors in here. Maybe I should put it face down. Some anchors in here that were holding the telephone and the phone outlet. It looks like this is just stapled to this board. Yeah, this will come apart easily. Okay. You know what? I recognize this board material. This is, I believe it's called Celotex. That's a fibery wood product that is no longer manufactured, made years ago. It was used for doing like insulated wall board in homes and things like that. Yeah, they're not manufacturing this anymore. Actually, I think the company went out of business or was bought or something like that. Yeah, makes a good pin board. Yeah, that's what this is. This is Celotex. Haven't seen this stuff for a long, long time. Wow. Makes a good pin board. This is the fabric I purchased. It's just a simple white cotton with a little bit of a crosshatch pattern in it, but it's lighter tone. It's 100% pure cotton. That'll be nice. The trick is going to be kind of getting it lined up. It does have sort of repeating patterns, so I would like to get that so it looks straight on the wall. Wonder how to go about this. Okay, here's what I've decided to do. I'm going to use a spray adhesive just because I think that will help keep everything in place, so I can turn this whole thing over and then staple the edges down on the back side and have everything stay straight. I've laid this out here, kind of aligned one edge, left most of the salvage off of the front. I'll cut that off afterward, but what I think is I'll just peel this back halfway, spray the adhesive, and then gently lay it into the adhesive. Let's see how that works. Okay. See how that works. Yeah, I think that's going to be fine. I need to cut my opening for the electric box. Punch through. Sharp knife. Well, let's see. I'm going to flip this over. Here we go. That worked just fine. Everything's going to stay there. Yeah, I'll cut off a lot of that extra. I'll just start working around with the stapler. Yeah. Just going to give it a gentle pull as I go, just to be sure it has a nice wrap on the edge. That's good. That one's sticking up a little bit there. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Let's see, let me turn it up the way it's going to go. I'm going to be gentle with it, but how's that? Oh yeah, great, I like it. Let's go put it up. Well, let's see. This has to go back up here. Oh, I gotta cut a hole for my telephone wires through there. I can see that. Okay, let's see. We do that. this is what I ended up with. I like it. Looks pretty good. I even made a bracket up there to hold the transformer for that router. Yeah, that's good. That's a lot nicer than that dark green.